Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the 7,000 pound Carter idler trailer axle. Let's dive into it. So this is the Carter 7,000 pound idler trailer axle. This axle comes with the 8 lug 6.5 bolt pattern, so 8 lugs, 6.5 being 6.5 inches from center of one stud to center of the other stud, right here. Standard bolt pattern. It has the heavy duty 9/16 studs on it, so an upgraded stud. It also comes with these new style upgraded heavy duty aluminum easy lube grease caps. We really got sick and tired of the old grease caps. Those old grease caps that everybody would use, they would dent up, fall off, and if they fell off, it's almost impossible to get them back on because they always go out of round. So these guys right here, they're actually real thick. It's a real thick aluminum, and they're really easy to work with. If they fall off, you can just pop it right back on. Don't have to worry about it going out of round or anything. It actually has a little lip right here that you can stick a flathead and just pop it right off. And of course, you can pop off this little rubber cap right here, and it will show the grease fitting, so you can easily grease up your bearings. So nice fast lube grease feature right there. It uses the standard 14125A bearing and the 25580 inner bearing. Really nice. It has the 5-bolt brake flange welded on in case you want to add brakes. And this thing is also pre-wired if you want to add brakes, so that's really convenient. You already got the brake flange right here and pre-wired, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Really simple. It has this heavy-duty 3-inch powder-coated axle tube, so you don't have to worry about it rusting up. That's just another good feature we have here. And this baby's ready to go. Fully assembled, ready to install on your trailer. And we sell them with the spring pads already welded on, like you can see. Or you can also get them not welded on, so you can weld them wherever you'd like. And if you choose that option to where you weld them, then we'll actually send you the spring pads you need so you can weld them wherever you want, free of charge. How about that? So if you need some of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it.